Best under cabinet illuminate your space with style and efficiency. Under cabinet LED lighting enhances both style and functionality in your home. Its compact design fits neatly under cabinets, providing focused light where you need it most. These energy-efficient LTS help reduce electricity costs while offering long-lasting performance. Choose from various styles and bridginess levels to suit your needs. List number 1. Cabinet lighting, 40 LED rechargeably battery-operated motion sensor light indoor. Illuminate your home with versatile under cabinet lighting. These LTS feature 40 LEDs and are rechargeably for convenience. Motion sensors activate the LTS automatically, saving energy. Magnetic design allows easy attachment and adjustment. Perfect for kitchens and styles, providing effortless elegance. Enjoy customizably bridginess with dimmable settings for every occasion. Advantages: illuminate your space efficiently. The 40 LED under cabinet lighting provides bright, consistent light, perfect for kitchens and styles. Enjoy convenience with motion sensors. LTS turn on automatically when detecting movement, making navigation easy and safe. List number 2. Sensor under cabinet lighting wireless magnetic 8-inch. Bridgen your space with the motion sensor under cabinet lighting. These wireless LTS are easy to install and hurry. Battery powered and magnetic, they stick firmly under cabinets. Adjustably bridginess suits every mood. Choose from 3 color temperatures for perfect ambience. Ideal for kitchens, pantries, and styles. Each pack includes 4 LTS for versatile use. Advantages: effortless installation makes the top a breeze. No tools required. Just peel and stick. These LTS can be placed and hurry quickly. Versatile lighting options cater to every mood. Adjust bridginess easily. Choose from 3 color themes for perfect ambience. Great for kitchens, pantries, or styles. List number 3. Ultra Pro 24-inch hardwired under cabinet LTS. Bridgen your kitchen with the Ultra Pro 24-inch hardwired under cabinet LTS. Enjoy 3 color settings: warm white, cool white, and delicate. These LTS offer flexibility with dimmable features to suit any mood or task. Hardwired design ensures a seamless, clean look under your cabinets. Perfect for modern kitchens, they enhance both style and functionality. Easy installation makes these LTS a convenient upgrade for any home. Advantages: transform any kitchen space with versatile lighting options. Ultra Pro 24-inch LTS offer 3 color settings. Choose between warm white, cool white, and delicate. Perfect for creating the right mood. Easily adjust bridginess with dimmable features. Customize lighting to fit your needs. Ideal for cooking or reading recipes. Bridgen or soften your kitchen environment. List number 4. 6 pack under cabinet lighting with charging station. Illuminate your kitchen or pantry with the 6 pack under cabinet lighting. Each light is rechargeably and motion activated, ensuring convenience and energy efficiency. Choose from 3 color temperatures to match your mood or setting. With 62 LEDs per light, enjoy bright, clear visibility and any space. The included remote allows easy dimming and control, perfect for adjusting lighting to your needs. This versatile lighting solution offers both practicality and style in your home. Advantages: illuminate your space with as well as under cabinet LTS. These LTS offer 3 color temperatures. Adjust to suit your mood or task. Rechargeably convenience ensures easy upkeep. List number 5. Vamo plug-in under cabinet lighting. Brighten up your kitchen with Vovamo plug-in under cabinet lighting. These LEDs offer a cool white and 6,000 ka glow. Perfect for countertops and workspaces. Dimmable features let you adjust the brightness to your liking. Easy to install with USB linkable design. Ideal for desks, sinks, and workbenches. Transform your indoor spaces effortlessly. Add fun touch. Illuminate your kitchen effortlessly with Vovamo plug-in under cabinet lighting. Experience a modern touch with sleek design and cold white and 6,000 ka light.